So we are here with Pekka Enberg, formerly of SQLite. So you have some experience with databases.
Yes, I do.
But now you started a startup and somehow accidentally you launched a project to rewrite SQLite in Rust.
Yes, I did. Yes.
And it's very popular because I've dealt with your pull requests and CI pipeline, and today you have several contributors. So
Yes, we have a lot of yes.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Clearly you have kind of hit a nerve there. So I've in my history worked with some other Finnish dudes who created database projects. So the game is to say Finnish database projects from Finland, most of them from Helsinki.
Okay, but I only know two. Well,
So
actually,
which ones do you know?
MySQL and Limbo.
And Limbo.
Yes.
Yeah, but you get the point. Like one of them is yours.
Yeah.
And Monty, of course, MySQL.
Ah.
But
With M, there's a second one.
yes,
MariaDB.
yes. So Monty did MariaDB also.
Yeah, he did, and I think
yes.
there's, yeah, but I don't remember the names. I don't.
Yes. What is the third one?
Um,
So he has 3 children, and he has a database for all
but
of
I
them.
don't. Yeah, I don't remember. I know. Okay, I know, but I don't. Yeah.
Actually, like his daughter's databases were more successful.
Yeah, Lou and Maria.
Yeah. So there is also MaxDB. I don't
Oh
know.
yes, there is. Yes.
But I don't know if it counts because it was really SAP code. I think that they ran something. So maybe it wasn't created in Finland.
But there are more from Helsinki.
Hey, actually, you know the one. What was the engine in MySQL?
InnoDB, is it from Helsinki?
Yes.
I did not know that.
You don't know who created it?
No, but I'm a Linux kernel guy.
Heikki Tuuri.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and Heikki Tuuri worked at another database company in Helsinki, where he was frustrated, because.
But I know this, but I don't know.
Yeah.
But hey.
So the birth story of InnoDB.
Yeah.
Heikki worked at a database company, which you will remember soon. And then he got interested in databases and read academic papers, and then he presented the papers like this could be done this and that way, and he was ignored. So then he was like, fuck it, I'll create my own database engine, and I'm glad he did.
But I don't remember. But this is so unfair. I'm a Linux kernel guy. Like I'm accidentally.
I'm just like.
But yeah, I know.
You are one of them now.
Now I'm one of. I know, but I don't remember the name. You have to tell the name.
So SolidDB.
Yes, SolidDB. Yes. But I know. I knew it.
It was, and there are still today. I have connections on LinkedIn who work for SolidDB. What else do we have?
No.
Well, I like to mention it also exists for MariaDB and MySQL. It's actually like a replication solution, which I think is one of the best. Galera.
Okay, this one I did.
Yeah, this is also a Finnish startup in Helsinki. Seppo, Teemu, and Alex.
Yeah, this one I didn't. I did.
And at the time, this was like before there was the raft paper. All we had was Paxos, and if you try to understand the Paxos algorithm, it might confuse you more than help you. But Galera is based on a thesis from Switzerland. Pedone is the researcher who invented an algorithm.
Are there still even more?
Yeah, okay, now it gets tough. So how many did we count now? Like
I think it was
2 for
5.
Yeah, 5.
No, three for Monty's children.
Yeah.
Then Solid 6 because we're including mine as well.
Yes. But should we count like database startups if they didn't write their own database? Actually, I think they might have written a database.
We can.
What is the hot database company in Helsinki?
In Helsinki, no.
You really don't follow this scene.
No,
You're like
no.
accidentally.
No, I'm accidental.
Running
Because
a database
all I
project.
can think of, but it's
Like
not.
if you wanted if you needed a job in the database industry, where would you go?
Of course, to Turso. But if
Ah.
I couldn't go,
Ivan.
I would. What?
Ivan.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so proud of those guys actually because like we had so many. That's kind of the point of the story. We had so many.
Yes, I know those.
So many open source projects coming out of
But-
Finland and
we should count them. We
Yeah.
should count them.
I think.
But you tricked me a little bit because it's not. I wouldn't say a database company, more like well, maybe it's a database company.
That's my point. It's not an open source
Yeah,
project or
yeah.
it's not one database.
Yeah, definitely.
Galera also is kind of. So there was actually the Galera guys kind of had a relationship with another. They were employed, I guess, to another company that also did high availability for Nokia, for example. So have you heard of Continuum?
No, I don't know.
Continuum clustering. They had several
No,
clustering projects.
maybe I
Yeah.
have. Maybe I have. Yeah,
Yeah.
because they're from Helsinki as well.
I think it originally from Oulu and
But then it doesn't count.
yeah, Eero I think is somewhere from eastern Finland. So, yeah. But
Quite a lot of
so you are kind of
part of a tradition.
part of a very honorable tradition, which I think Helsinki doesn't get enough credit for actually.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah. So it's been nice to talk to you, and I think we'll talk separately maybe about some performance stuff.
Absolutely. Keep this.